Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of my videos. And today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet a heart coaster. And this is how it looks. It's a fairly simple and a beginner friendly project. And for this, we have used 4.5mm crochet hook and 4-ply yarn. So let's start with this coaster. To begin, we start with a magic circle and chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and we need 12 double crochets in total, including the chain 3. So we have to do 11 more double crochets in the magic circle. This is my third one. Similarly, go ahead and do 12 double crochets and meet me back when you have 11 double crochets along with the chain 3. So here I have 12 double crochets including the chain 3, and now I'm tightening that loop to secure my circle and slip stitch in that top chain of chain 3. To begin round 2, we chain 3 and we make 2 double crochets in each stitch from here on. So in every stitch we make 2 double crochets. So here I have made 2 double crochets. Now in that next stitch, go ahead and do 2 double crochets in that very same stitch. Go ahead and finish this round and meet me back when you're at the end. You should have 24 double crochets in total for round 2. So I have 23 stitches so far, and this chain 3 counts as my first double crochet, and I'm doing my 24th double crochet in that same stitch that I made my chain 3 in. Go ahead and slip stitch in that first chain 3 that we made to finish our round 2. To begin round 3, chain 3, make 2 double crochets in the next stitch, both double crochets in that very stitch. So here I'm making my first double crochet and again a second one in that same stitch. Now in the next stitch, go and make 1 double crochet, just 1 double crochet in that next stitch. Now in the next, make 2 double crochets. Now in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and this is the pattern you will follow for this round. 2 double crochets in one, and in the next only 1 double crochet. So we started with 1 chain 3 that is considered as a double crochet, so you should end your round with 2 double crochets and then slip stitch to complete round 3. To begin round 4, we make 1 single crochet in that next stitch, and in the next stitch we make 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet in that very same stitch. That's a half double, and in that same stitch 1 double crochet. Now in the next 5 stitches, make 2 double crochets in each stitch. Now in the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Just 1 single double crochet in each stitch. Now in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, and again in the next stitch 1 half double crochet. Now make 4 single crochets in the next 4 stitches. Second single crochet, third single crochet, and last 4th single crochet. Now again make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next one, and make 3 double crochets in that next stitch, all 3 of them in that very stitch. Now we'll repeat what we did so far. On this other side, we make 1 double crochet in that next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next. We're making it in reverse order. Four single crochets are done. Now again 2 half double crochets. Two double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Now in the next 5 stitches we make 2 double crochets in each stitch. Next 5 stitches make 2 in each stitch, 2 double crochets in each stitch. As you can see, it's taking the heart shape, the form of a heart now. Now in the next stitch, we do 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in that same stitch. In the next, 1 single crochet and then a slip stitch to end the round. That's it. Our round 4 is complete. So if you want a smaller coaster like this, you can fasten off at this point. But if you want a slightly bigger one like this one, you can join me for round 5 that we are about to start. For round 5, we start with a slip stitch in that next stitch. So make a slip stitch. And then in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Then in the next one, make 1 half double and a double crochet in that same stitch. Now in the next 6 stitches, make 2 double crochets in each stitch. 2 double crochets in the next 6 stitches. This is how it looks. Total 12 stitches in those 6 stitches because we have done 2 in each. Now in the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1 in each 3 of them. Now in the next 2 stitches, we do 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Now in the next 19 stitches, go ahead and do single crochets. 19 single crochets. So here I have 19 single crochets. Go ahead and count if you want to. If it's difficult to see the stitches and identify the stitches, you can use a stitch marker like so, and cross check if you have the right number of stitches. So moving ahead, we start doing the same stitches that we did on the other side but in reverse order. Remove the stitch marker and start with the other side. 2 half double crochets in the next 2 stitches, 1 in each stitch. 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches, 1 in each stitch. Now in the next 6 stitches, we do 2 double crochets in each stitch, 2 in each of those 6 stitches. Now in the next stitch, we do a double crochet and a half double crochet in that same stitch. Now in the next stitch, we do 1 half double crochet, and in the next 1 single crochet. So don't yarn over, just 1 single crochet, and then in the next 2 chains make slip stitches. And we are at the end of round 5. And we are done with our heart coaster. Chain 1 and pull the yarn, cut the yarn and fasten off. I'll weave in the ends and be right back. So that's all you need to do to make these lovely heart coasters. It's a really simple and beginner friendly project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.